chisuku nkoigoruchire ne na kikwe ariganirie aye buna omwibori litukoria rero omurikito Gabriel Nyakundi naba ogukwana naba Kenya eliyo koigwe birengeri byabo iguru yo kuyarigania iguru ya back to school etamu ya kabere
kiro abarokia bagenderete kweyarigania ase etamu ya kabere eyo ego kigo cha karitukure mambia nigo abayiboli baganiwe kwanikia abana babongo enda bale ase chiskoro ka ukona ase kanisa ya Lutheran Ngege omusike Justin Nyambega oyo bwate ekirenga kyokoligia kero kyo MC Croix Senseme ga yabugusero nigo aganiria abayiboli kwanikia abana babongo enda bale chiskoro eryo kwanikia ngo nyara bale amagima ale amaya ase amatwago
abana kibakuye school mambi wanda sababa ibori ba make sure na abana ba school challenges into school fees lakini ntomanye tena serikali ye bantu tumachi pesa ainde kipasa binchi yarwe kuna musimi wali kubona musimi wabuye uyeri musimi ato kibagendi na rwete kipasa richiaye chichi school che Go, we are appealing to the principals in the various schools. Bakoli kwere batira abana babere classini ainde none ekichinde ki county yotongo saba mugabana wikisi county musikisi barati nera ririsie kichege kwere kipasa rikiyaye abana banyare bakogende school batiri na kuseri igo tuwasabira abana magana maya nainde bantu bose bamenya no murembe ani yasako nyabantu bose.
Welcome them back to school. To our kids, we want to ask that you put commitment and hard work in your work, because it's the hard work that pays. We want to say thank you so much to the government you have supported. We want still to request that you support our parents as they are coming, the national government through the CDF by provision of bursaries, the county governments by provision of bursaries, so that our kids can be able now to be in school. Otherwise, I want to wish all the stakeholders a nice second term and the remaining part of the year as we proceed with our studies. And may God bless you, give you journey mercies as the students travel back to our schools.
Seboigo abasaye bakwanirwa na kuganirwa gutika gutumika amarego yo gutindia ayo aranyare kubasariria amagima abo.
Tuomba waepuke na matumizi ya madawa ya kulevya, watilie maanani masomo na kumcha Mungu, maana kupitia masomo na kumcha Mungu watakuwa watu wa manufaa katika jamii na familia zao katika.
Ekero abana ba ukigo cyaka etamu ya kabere nigo baganirwe gukora umukia ase amasomo abo. Kingo ripoteria igatesini bwanje tikende gikomike getembe Croix Sebungega ya kitutu cha Sauti County ya Kisii Njenguruko Nyakundi Gabriel.